Hello creators, and welcome to Creating with Miss Kaye. In my video today, I am bringing you part 5 of the Valentine's Day Tablescape Series. For the past few weeks, a group of creators have been coming together, bringing you Valentine's Tablescapes to inspire you with different colors that you can use in your home during the Valentine's Day season/holiday. Tonight, the color is Tiffany Blue. The title is Tiffany Blue, I Love You. I'm going to take you on into my video, and please, once you get through watching my video, make sure you go by the playlist, which is hosted by Ellen over at Glamour Ellen. This is the color that she chose, so make sure you go by the playlist to see Ellen's video, Antoinette over at Decorating Aunt's Place, and Chanel, inspired by Chanel. Now tonight we will have a couple of special guests, so make sure you watch their videos as well. And I will leave you a link to everyone's video in my description box. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Here's a look from week 1, non-traditional colors, teal, rose gold, and animal print. Week 2, black, white, and red. Our week 3 was purple. My Purple Valentine. And week 4 was quarantine date night. The colors were blue and yellow. I will have the link to my video in my description box. This is Tiffany Blue, I Love You. I decided to decorate with the Tiffany Blue, and I used gold as my accent color. I love how this turned out, and guess what? I used a different vase this week. I had this vase in my master bathroom, and I decided to pull it out instead of showing you the Bella vase almost every week. I'm using gold DIY plates, as well as these white and gold Z Gallery plates. And as you see, I folded my napkin into a rose. These are a few other DIYs. My taper candles are DIY candles as well. By the way, my chargers are DIYs. I bought them, but the color was so strange, so I just kind of did them over. Onto my hutch, I'm just using the white, the gold, with the Tiffany Blue. With my candles, I just added a little bling wrap, which came from the Dollar Tree. I didn't find any Tiffany Blue candles, so you know what? You have to use what you have, and you can just fix it how you like. I put my large candles into my very large lanterns, and I'm using some of my gold vases that I've already had. Now, let's just talk about this Tiffany Blue centerpiece. Some of my florals are from the Dollar Tree. I couldn't believe how good everything turned out. Just using so many items that I already had here at the house. My heart-shaped plate at the head of the table, and these two blue plates I have had for so long. And you know what? Just going through things, I found them and I said, you know what? Let's put them at the head of the table just to give it a more special look. And I'm just using my gold runner, my gold flatware, and my glasses are from Z Gallery. I'm very pleased at how everything turned out. Now, I did borrow that love sign from our very first video. It does have a little bit of rose gold in it, but you know what? I think it blends perfect. This is my Tablescape 2. Honestly, I love this. I can't say that I love it best, but I do love this. I use just some boa that I have here at the house that my granddaughter plays with, and I just wrap them around my plates just to give it some definition. And then my florals is just some greenery I had, and then the Tiffany Blues. And onto my hutch, very simple. But look at this heart that I made with just some garland. Everything looks so romantic. Ellen, you really came through with choosing this color. I would not have ever thought of this color for Valentine's Day, but you know what? I think it looks spectacular. It goes to show you, if you give something a try and you work it hard enough, it will come through. And the bling that I am displaying this week with this Tiffany Blue on this tablescape, and then I just use some pink roses just to go on each plate, just to give it just a pop of a Valentine's Day color with that pink. I hope that you like it. If this is your first time visiting my channel and you like what you see, and you have been watching this series and you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting on? If you keep watching, you must like it. So I'm asking you, go ahead and click that subscribe button. Become a part of my family. I would love to have you. I normally put out 2 or more videos a week, so that way I can keep you inspired. With several ways that you can decorate your home. And to my current subscribers, I would like to give a special thank you to you for always supporting, always encouraging me. I love your comments. Everything that you say in your comments means so much to me. So thank you so much for all the encouragement, all of the love. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.